In this question, it is given that a tank A and B open at the top contains two different liquids up to a certain height in them. A hole is made in the wall of each tank at a depth h from the surface of liquid. The area of the hole in A is twice that of B. If the liquid mass flux through each hole is equal, then the ratio of densities of liquid respectively. So in this question, we are having two containers and having two different liquids. So let's say container A and another one take it as container B. The height of liquid column or the where we are making a small hole is same. So we can take it as velocity with which liquid is coming out is nothing but root of 2gh. That will be same in both the container A as well as container B. Now it is given that the area of hole in A, so let's say area in hole in A is twice that of in B. So we can take it as if area in hole B is taken as nothing but A, then area of hole in A we can take it as nothing but 2A. So area of hole in container A is 2A and area of hole in container B is equal to take it as A. And the mass flow rate means we know that it is dm by dt and both the containers are same. So dm by dt of liquid which is coming out from container A is equal to dm by dt in container B. We know that dm by dt is nothing but a rho into v into A. So we can take it as rho into area of A into velocity should be equal to density of liquid in B into area in area of opening in container B into velocity. As the value of velocity is same, we can cancel this. And in question they are asking to find out what about the ratio of densities of liquid. So we can write density of A divided by density of B will be equal to area in B divided by area in A. And area in B we are taking it as nothing but A, then area of A is nothing but 2A. So we can write they are in the ratio 1:2 or 1/2.